Craft your imagination.
Let's make a rain stick!
Here's what you'll need: cardboard, aluminum foil, scissors, decorative paper, a pencil, glue, tape, scrap fabric, beads, beans or shells, ribbon, maybe some decorative tape, and a blow dryer. I cut a rectangle out of my cardboard, and I measure and cut a piece of foil that's the same size as my rectangular cardboard piece. We use foil because it creates a more authentic sound when the rice or beans are added. You can use glue or double stick tape. Today, I'm going to use a double stick tape dispenser. I use a wooden dowel to roll my cardboard up. You can use any cylindrical stick to do this. I cut some of it off so that it doesn't spiral up on the inside. Then I use my tape to secure it on the outside. I make sure that it's hollow on the inside, sort of like a toilet paper or a paper towel roll. Once your cylinder's made, stand it upright and trace the circle around the bottom onto another piece of cardboard. This circle will be an end cap for your rain stick, so you'll need two. I cut them out. I double check to make sure the size is still a good match. Use those circles to trace and cut out foil circles for the inside of each cap. Remember, having the foil inside will create a unique sound when the noise-making materials like dry beans or rice or macaroni are added. You can use school glue, but I use a wood glue for a tighter bond when I'm gluing my cap on. I use a dryer to quickly dry it, and then I add tape for reinforcement. I want my rain stick to have just the right sound, so I pour in some rice. I shake it around. It needs a little more weight. So then I add some dried macaroni. Perfect! Now it's time to seal it up with the second cap. I attach the cap, blow dry it, and reinforce it with tape. Now I'm ready to decorate. I measure and cut a piece of decorative paper that is the width of my cylinder. And long enough to wrap around it. And now for my fabric. I draw a wide circle around the end of my cylinder. I'll need it for both ends, so I cut two. I chose to decorate with a combination of fabric and paper, but you can decorate your rain stick however you like. You can paint it, use marker, use paper, or use fabric like I'm doing. I glue my fabric on top and around the sides of my cylinder. I'll do this on the other end as well. This fabric is just to decorate each end, but I'll wrap it with the decorative paper I cut earlier. I dry again, and for extra reinforcement, I tape the part of my fabric that will be hidden under the paper. Now, this is optional, But to give my rain stick a more finished look, I painted with non-toxic sealant. I add a couple of ribbons to finish it off, and voila! My rain stick is done!